Hi, my name is Melenaite Hakamoto.
Hi, my name is Melenaite Hakamoto.
My name is Melenaite Hakamoto, and I'm studying to be a carpenter.
I've finished my stage 3 in carpentry,
And I am a lecturer here at School of Science and Technology. 3 years ago, I worked as one of the team for the rebuild of the tsunami. I started as a carpenter student. I graduated last year, and then I became a lecturer working here at TIST. Well, I've learned a lot about building my confidence and my skills in carpentry. So this is our workshop: cross-cut saw and plane machine. It's so great working with you guys, learning some new skills. Well, I still use them. I also share them with my students. Yeah, it really helped a lot. Since our country is very vulnerable to tsunami and storms, I wanted to be one of the helpers to help out to our community. Carpentry is very important for young people because if you have some damages, you can just use your own skills.
For me as a girl, oku mau oktela papo toko ni ke no whakaloto lahi mo whakai ai kakai whiwhine ko ni unau whi hau he ta whaaki ko ni. Kiki mea e tai malawa oku malawa pe mea kotoa he whiwhine.
I want to encourage young people out there to come train carpentry, mostly to young women.
Ngā ui mālohi pe mo loto pe ke lahi he whi ngau whai.